There are more than 1 million functional units, called nephrons, within each kidney. A nephron consists of two parts, the renal corpuscle and the renal tubule. The renal corpuscle is the first part of the nephron and makes up most of the kidney's cortex. The renal corpuscle consists of the Bowman capsule and the glomerulus. The glomerulus is made up of loops of capillaries and is completely surrounded by the Bowman capsule. The process performed by the renal corpuscle is called filtration. The afferent arteriole is larger in diameter than the efferent arteriole, which exits the glomerulus. This difference in size means that the pressure of blood in the glomerulus is high enough to filter substances out of the blood. Water, glucose, ions, and wastes are filtered into the hollow Bowman capsule, forming a fluid called filtrate. Proteins and blood cells are too large to be filtered through the wall of the glomerular capillaries, so they remain in the blood. Most of the renal pyramids consist of the renal tubules of the nephrons. The nephrons are surrounded by peritubular capillaries, which branch off of the efferent arteriole. The filtrate continues its journey through the proximal convoluted tubule, or PCT, the Henle loop, the distal convoluted tubule, or DCT, and then into a collecting duct. Surrounding the renal tubule are peritubular capillaries. 99% of the filtrate, including most of the water, certain ions, and all of the glucose, is reabsorbed back into blood in peritubular capillaries, mostly in the PCT. This process is called reabsorption. More wastes and certain ions can move from the blood in the peritubular capillaries into the filtrate. This process is called tubular secretion. Reabsorption and tubular secretion are separate processes, but they actually occur at the same time. Specific parts of the nephron tubules reabsorb or secrete different ions and substances. The DCTs of many nephrons connect to one collecting duct. Reabsorption and tubular secretion continue to occur in the collecting duct. Because of these processes, by the time filtrate reaches the end of the collecting duct, it has become urine. Of the 180 liters of filtrate produced each day, the result is only 1 to 2 liters of urine that will be excreted from the body.